them, like in the Back to the Future movies. This car from the 50s. Here's some flying cars from the distant future of 2015. And of course, we've got vehicles from long ago, the prehistoric times, Bedrock, Flintstone vehicles, of course. And they were the first environmentally friendly cars, all foot powered, invented by Elon Musk. Thank you. Thank you very much. Right next to our Fast and Furious is our Jurassic vehicles, yes, our two biggest franchises. The gyrosphere right there never had glass around it. They shot it just as you see it. You know why? Glass reflects the camera. That's no fun, right? And in this case, the glass is round. It's not like you can tilt it to avoid it. So they added, check out the mobile lab on the left-hand side. You've seen in the Lost World Jurassic Park, mostly plywood, made it to look like real metal. It doesn't need to be the real material. It just needs to look like it on set, right? We can add the sound effects of it moving around. We can add all this. Oh my goodness. Oh geez. Watch out. Spinners in the bushes. Gosh, David, if only we'd known they were there, we would have warned him, right? That's the second time I've been spit on by dinosaurs this tour. My mouth was open again. I was trying to drink my butterbeer. Is my mouth always open? I've been trying to train those things. And what that does is it simulates how you have depth perception in your everyday lives. Now, your phones can't do that. They've got one eye, one lens, and they will only take blurry pictures of King Kong, which is why I recommend you keep them in your pocket, sit back, relax, and enjoy the attraction. Come on, you're here with your friends, your family, and the people you know and love on Instagram are not going to like that video anyway. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy King Kong 360 3D. Lights down.
I'm the reason bad guys use a bagpipe. I'm the reason the boogeyman builds his mama to look under his bed. And I'm the reason he just lost control of this whole operation. My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service. And as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the one in charge. Who the hell are you all? Let me clue you in on two things, sweet cheeks. One, there's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. And two, an international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Coming back. Okay, maybe not.
You still don't need those 3D glasses, okay? This is actually an effect called Pepper's Ghost. You remember when they brought Tupac back to life at Coachella? This is how they did it, alright? It's a reflection technique. It looks like there's one person who's been to a club on this trip.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn that music off!
Too bad. It really looks like they wax and vax for it, doesn't it?
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other? Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Neil, that's right, party's over.
Check the corona.
I'm not. You're under arrest right now. Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got you. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't get into your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back. It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real.
Oh, that one better.
Who else looks like Mark Wahlberg? You know? Mark Wahlberg's like 150 pounds. I'm 250 lean. I look like Mark Wahlberg ain't Mark Wahlberg.
Oh, great. Let's get out of here. Take a look over to the left. Really good by all the people still waiting in line. Bye. See you guys later. Wave goodbye to the beeper too. We're leaving now behind. We are entering our movie studio. This is where you're